Mastering the magic of subordinating conjunctions. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English Grammar Fundamentals series. Today, we're going to tackle a fascinating part of English grammar, subordinating conjunctions. They're the magic links that help us form more complex and nuanced sentences. So, are you ready to dive in? Let's get started. First things first, what exactly are subordinating conjunctions? Well, subordinating conjunctions are words or phrases that connect a dependent clause to an independent clause, creating a more complex sentence structure. The dependent clause cannot stand alone, while the independent clause can. These conjunctions indicate a relationship such as time, place, cause, condition, or comparison between the two clauses. Some examples of subordinating conjunctions are because, although, since, while, unless, and many more. Now that we know what they are, let's understand how to use subordinating conjunctions. A sentence with a subordinating conjunction might look like this. Even though I was tired, I continued to study. In this sentence, even though is the subordinating conjunction that connects the two clauses. The clause, I was tired, is dependent, and I continued to study, is independent. The conjunction, even though, establishes a relationship of contrast between the two ideas. Let's look at a few more examples to solidify our understanding. 1. I will go to the cinema after I finish my homework. 2. You should take an umbrella in case it rains. 3. They couldn't win the match although they played well. In each of these sentences, the subordinating conjunctions, after, in case, although, connect the two ideas, indicating a time, a condition, and a contrast respectively. Now, let's try an exercise. I will provide you with two sentences, and your task is to connect them using an appropriate subordinating conjunction. 1. He likes to read. He reads before bed. 2. She didn't study. She failed the test. Take a moment to think about it and try to come up with the completed sentences. Here are the possible answers. 1. He likes to read, so he reads before bed. 2. She didn't study, therefore she failed the test. How did you do? Remember, practice makes perfect. There you have it, folks. We've just demystified subordinating conjunctions. Remember, these magical words can make your sentences much more interesting and complex, so don't shy away from using them. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be using them like a pro. I hope you found this video helpful. Stay tuned for more videos on our grammar fundamentals journey. Until next time, happy learning!